Hello everyone. Today we see the Entner-Dudorov pathway. Entner-Dudorov pathway is an alternative pathway that catabolizes glucose to pyruvate using a set of enzymes different from those used in either glycolysis or pentose phosphate pathway. It occurs only in prokaryotes, mostly in gram-negative bacteria such as Pseudomonas, Azotobacter, Rhizobium. In this pathway, glucose phosphate is oxidized to 2-keto-3-deoxy-6-phosphogluconic acid, which is cleaved by 2-keto-3-deoxyglucose phosphate aldolase to pyruvate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. The latter is oxidized to pyruvate by glycolytic pathway, wherein two ATPs are produced by substrate level phosphorylation. This process yields one ATP as well as one NADH and one NADPH for every glucose molecule. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for the watching.